Conduct of the summit is an offshoot of our participation in the 11th Congress.
Kwento ni Toto. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang kwento. Alam mo na, Ma'am Lors. Yan.
By the way, we have with us Mr. David Bless. He's the coordinator of the Southeast Asia
Botanic Gardens Network. One of two courses.
one of two coordinators, and we are so lucky that we have him with us throughout the summit. And we're telling Sir David here that the conduct of the summit is an offshoot of our participation in the 11th Congress. It's Botanic Gardens on Education. Last
In Korea.
in Korea, in Seoul,
June
Korea, in June,
2025.
where over 1,000 delegates all over the world were there, featuring the Botanic Gardens and Arboreta worldwide. And doon pinakita na yung importance talaga ng Botanic Gardens and Arboreta for climate change, for biodiversity, for human health, especially for mental health. Pinakita lahat doon, and we were so inspired. And of course, for this, we are doing this for generations to come, for posterity. Kaya we have this, nakita nyo na, marami dito. Sa Elvas, we have bamboo setum, we have an area for medicinal plants, we have this butterfly sanctuary, what else? Ratan, Jinbang, and a lot more. May mga plantations tayo dito of varieties, of species. So this one would stay, forever, hopefully, by His grace. And we would like, come July or August, we will establish here another legacy park, so that leaders in the past would come over and do their share. Diba? Paalala nila what they did here, and they would like to contribute more. They will bring their families here. Kasi they planted seedling already. Part of their subjectivity had been here. So that's the beauty of it. Kaya we will do that. So leaders will be coming here from July or August. Maganda ito, Marcos.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay po. Thank you, Ma'am Lor.
Ayan, maybe you could
Yeah.
say something
Ay, sorry.
with this experience.
Ayun po, I guess I will say what I said also to the ERDB staff, that I had a great time at the summit. I think it was a very successful first summit on Botanic Gardens and Arboreta, and I'm really looking forward to all of the collaborations that BGCI can do with all of our partners and members here.
Okay.
And we are proud that in the country, David, in the Philippines, we have something like this.
This is the first summit, Ma'am.
This is the first summit on Botanic Gardens and Arboreta. Okay. First of its kind,
Yeah.
we may say so. And we only have about 15 or 16 Botanic Gardens and Arboreta that are registered.
Registered or known, but I'm sure there are
But
many.
there are more gardens, but these are not Arboreta. By the way, we have here the one who came.
Si Ma'am. Yan. Kanina interview na namin si Ma'am.
Yeah. Ikwento mo. Ikwento mo how you started, no?
Yes. Ako po 46 years, nag-start ako dito as actually administrative pa lang ako noon. Kaya lahat po ng mga nakasabit niya ng mga information, naka-file po sa akin lahat yan. So pinicturean ko po sila lahat, yung mga lumang nangyari ng building and then yung bago. Kasi nilalagay ko yan sa every monthly accomplishment reports namin. So yun ang mga data na napatago sa akin. And now that I am retiring, ang ginawa ko para maiwan, iniwan ko yung i-copy sa kanila, and then pinaproduce ko ng ganyan para at least pag bisita dito, makikita na nila na kahit hindi paliwanag ng iba, mababasa na nila. And then yung sabi ko na keep it para forever na matuloy-tuloy.
Kita natin may mga butterflies na rin dito.
Yes,
Kasi
ma'am.
this is the butterfly sanctuary.
Sanctuary.
So marami ng host plants, no, for the butterfly.
This is the first butterfly na ginawa namin. This is a butterfly house lang ang ginawa namin. So from there on, nag-iikot kami, kukuha kami ng mga itlog kasi meron kami dito staff noon na marunong sa butterfly thesis niya. Kukunin niya yung mga itlog, gatlan. Then ilalagay namin sa aparador na screen. Tapos pag nabuhay na, saka namin ilalagay diyan, palili pa rin. But sabi ko, why not make it as a sanctuary? Para sila na mismo
oo.
pupunta.
Opo.
Ayan.
Okay, thank
Okay
you po.
po.